children, today let's start with chapter number 6, means of communication. So in this chapter, we will study about communication. What is communication? It is a means of expressing our ideas, beliefs, thoughts with a different people. Right? Communication has been divided into two parts, personal communication and mass communication. So communication is sending or getting message. There are many ways you can communicate with people living in other places. If we talk about in ancient times, pigeons were used to send messages. Men were sent on foot or horse rider to deliver message. And these means took long time. And now there are many fast and easy means of communication. So means of communication are of two types. दो तरीके के होते हैं means of communication, right? Next is personal means of communication. So postal service, a letter is a popular means of communication. We can buy inland letters and postcards from the post office and we write our message on them, and we can even write our message on plain paper and put it inside a stamped envelope. कहाँ रख सकते हैं? Stamped envelope में. Our letter carried by buses, trains, aeroplanes and even ships. They reach our friends and relatives. आपने देखा होगा कुछ दिन बाद ही वो आपको रिसीव हो जाता है, right? So urgent letters can be sent through speed post or by courier, and these services take only 1 or 2 days to reach any city of other. We send our parcels and money order through the post office. Next, telephone services is the fastest means of communication, right? We talk to our friends and relatives living within the city and even other countries. So mobiles and cellular phones, they help us to communicate, and even we are traveling. So we can also send messages through short message services, what we call it SMS, right? Then we have fax. It is used to send a written message. A letter with photographs can be sent to someone by fax machine. It reaches instantly since it's connected to a telephone line. Then we have computer. Today, computer has become an important means of communication. The email, that is electronic mail and internet. ये क्या है? Means of communication. जो कहाँ work करता है? Through computer. You can send videos, pictures, music, books, letters from one computer to another. Right? Internet is also used to get weather reports. आपको अगर कोई latest information रखनी है, वो भी आप receive हो. Mass communication. When you have to communicate with large number of people, right? Like we use newspaper, radio and television. What are these? Mass communication. They are called the means of mass communication. All types of news of our country and foreign countries in the newspaper and articles, magazines are also available. Satellites. What they do, they make the communication easier and faster. It picks up television signal from one part of the world and send them to another part. And today it is possible to watch events and when they are happening. कि वो कहाँ हो रहे हैं, आप live भी telecast कर सकते हैं through satellite. E-readers, they are the gadgets of size of large cell phone which can read books. You can download books from the net, and these books can be read on an e-reader. आप इसको e-reader पे भी read कर सकते हैं, right? This is all about the means of communication. Hope you understood different means of communication. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.